PayrollMate is a comprehensive payroll software that fits the needs of accountants and small to medium-sized businesses. PayrollMate automatically calculates net pay, federal tax withholding, Social Security tax, Medicare tax, and calculates user-defined state and local taxes. PayrollMate also supports different types of pay periods, prints payroll, checks, prepare forms. This payroll software also supports users-defined income, tax, and deduction categories. PayrollMate supports the following state payroll tax forms: quarterly withholding return. PayrollMate can also be used as QuickBooks payroll software with the support of payroll data export to QuickBooks. The software can also export payroll checks to Quicken and Microsoft Office accounting. PayrollMate also supports payroll application tracking and sick pay tracking. System requirements. Operating system supported: Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows Server 2003, 2008, 2012. And a hardware: at least 2.0 GHz processor, at least 1 GB RAM, display 1024 by 768 screen resolution or higher. 4 times CD-ROM drive is required when installing from a CD. Payroll software main window. From this window, the user can access the main functionality of our in-house payroll software. These include the following screens: company, report, form, employees, and check. Employees. This window contains a record of employment, provides information on employment. Form. Our 2014 payroll program makes generating and printing this federal payroll form as easy as clicking a button. Payroll report. PayrollMate software for payroll generates a variety of payroll reports such as journal summary, journal detail, tax liability, and deposit requirements. All reports can be printed, exported, and emailed. Company setup. From this window of our payroll calculate software can enter a company information such as name, address, company, type, and employer's identification number, state ID, state unemployment account, custom, define new income, tax, deduction categories. (1099) and vendor software for accounts payable and contractor. For non-employees, 1099 contractor, tax vendors, and generate comprehensive report and treat IRS tax. Creating new employee. Click icon new in the taskbar. Another command will pop out, then click the next button. A general information will come out. Input all the necessary information of the new employee, name, address, city, etc. There are some cases that you need to fill up before you can proceed to the next step. Then click the next button. The tax setup will come out. Tax setup provides C2s of taxation by filing out all the information needed to determine the taxing rules that is applicable for each individual. Then click next button, and it will proceed to incomes, and it will serve as the tax base for taxation. Put a mark on each specified box that is allowed for every employee. Click next button, then it proceeds to the taxes panel window. Check if all the marked category is entitled for each employee. Click next button. Deduction panel window appears. Each individual is entitled for deduction levied by laws. Put a check for every deduction allowed and specify the amount. And vacation, sick or settings, window panels. Each employee is entitled for this amount. Specified hours that each employee is allowed. Then if all the information is apparently done, then click Finish button. Then you will now see the new employee you added. Displays the existing employees in the company in a very clear, organized tabular view.